How to draw a scrunchie. Real scrunchies? Your drawing. So guys, obviously you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. In my case, I'm using the boogie board and its pencil. So the first step is you want to make like sort of a cloud. So you want to make it more wide instead of tall, obviously, because this is a scrunchie. So now you're going to start with the little smiley face and then keep doing that in all directions. So now, see these little points? Well, you're going to make little lines coming out from them. Not too big, not too small. They can vary in size. Now, in between these points, you're going to make even more little than these ones. And so just fill it up. Right now, you're going to kind of make lines everywhere. Make them thin. Varying in size. Some of them reaching towards all the way to the end of the scrunchie. So you're just going to make a bunch of them varying in size. So now you're going to kind of see the outward cloud, right? So you're going to kind of like make little outlines of it. And so this is it so far. There's only a little bit, a few things left to do for it. Okay, so now you can add little doodles, hashtags all around it. Now your scrunchie drawing is complete. If you missed a step, rewind this video. If you are a true fan, you will number 1, like this video. Number 2, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Though if you are a true fan, you should have already done this before. And share this video with 3 or more of your friends. If you've done all of this, go to my channel, Vicky's Crafts, and comment #TrueFan. Bye bye.